Alright everybody, another video here. This is 2008 Toyota Avalon. We have this code 3 p0368, I believe is what it was. It's got something to do with the timing Camshaft, p0368. Very common problem on these Toyotas, 6 cylinders and 4 cylinders. So you can see right now there is no check engine light anymore because I just replaced the sensor connection. Very common problems on this type of cars. I'm gonna show you the piece that we replaced it. If you can see, the check engine light right here is gone because I just changed that part. And before I'm gonna do what I'm about to gonna do, I just want to make sure check engine light is gone, and you can see right here it's gone. So we strike the problem, so we don't have no more p0368 code no more. So if you can see, car's good to go. I'll show you couple points that if you have this problem that you might gonna have to do, and this is why I made this video, so I can show you and give you a couple tips maybe how you can do it. And if you already know it, if you already do it, okay, well, there's a couple other videos there that you can probably look at them, but I want to make this quick video to show you how I did it, and hopefully I help somebody else out there, you know. So let me show you something else real quick. All right, let me show you what I use to this connection. I use a electric soldering, wire soldering, 120. You plug it into 120 and you can solder some small wires if you need soldering or welding something bigger. Well, you need something else, but this is what I use. 120 soldering gun, or type of gun, soldering wire. I got this extra soldering roll right here just in case I need it. Very important, you're gonna need this right here. It's what I use. It's called base flux. So the soldering on the, especially on copper wire, it'll soldering very good. So I recommend this to soldering copper small wires. It'll make the soldering really good. All right. Another thing, you're probably gonna need some shrinking heat shrinking tubes. I have this little container with different size from Amazon, and also AutoZone have them as well, different sizes. I use um, these ones, you just put them on, heat them up, and it shrinks. That way it protects the wire. It works like a insulation type of thing. All right, let me show you right there. This is the I don't know, you're gonna be able to see it. Right there, that's the timing crab position sensor right there. I have to soldering. That's the new piece right there, already soldering. I have to put the shrinking tubes still, but I just want to make sure everything was working properly before, you know, I finish the job and everything. So let me show you. This is the connector right here. I had to cut them and do the splices. Okay, and real quick, why this happened? This yellow wire was broke. It breaks from down there. We try to fix it, but it don't fix the problem. So we know we have to replace them. And why the wires end up breaking? All right. Well, little bit of backstory is we changed the coils and the spark plugs on this car. Okay, so I went ahead and changing the back ones, which is the more difficult ones to change them, so that way if we have misfire or something go wrong, you know, it better happens on the front ones of the car, which is the easy ones to get to it. So in order to do that, we had to take battery, air filter, and the air intake out to change the back ones. Also, we had to take this part that goes along here. There's a metal part right here. I don't remember the exactly name of this, and the plastic windshield protector, windshield wipers as well. The whole thing here to access to the back of the motor to change the coils and the spark plugs. So we had to take this whole thing apart, and the wires being too tight. For some reason, this yellow wire snap off of the connector. So when we put everything back together and we start the car, the check engine light come on like right away, and I try to erase it, and it just, you know, come back right away. And I checked the code. Like I said, it was the famous code, p0368. Very common problems on these type of cars. It was another one just like this one here. Look, it's got 3 little wires, and it checks the timing of the sensor. Check the timing of the motor. All right, so that's what we did. And here's the old one. The yellow wire is still in the connector, because I try to put some super glue in it and a little bit of silicone to stay there, but it wasn't working. I mean, it looks like it's in there, but it wasn't working. It was not doing any connection because the wire was break. Okay, so I strip it out a little bit and push it back in there, put some super glue in it and some silicone, but that wasn't working. Check engine light was staying on for about a week, and I ordered the part. Let me show you the part. Right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it there. That's the part right there. If you can see, that's the one right there. It's got the 3 wires in it. Okay. Something else I ordered online on Amazon. Okay, make sure you order the right ones, because there's a lot of different ones, and make sure you order the right one. Something else real quick. The one I ordered, it came with the same color wires, red, black, and the yellow, but it wasn't on the same order as this original one. Okay, so be careful with that. The one I ordered came with the red being on the right place, which is the first one. If connector goes like this, okay, red one was fine. The black, the middle one on the original one here is black, but on the one I ordered is the yellow. So the yellow was in the middle and the black was where this yellow is. Okay, so I had to make sure, you know, don't put it color by color, because it wasn't connector wasn't on the right order. It's the original one. Okay, so if you order that same one, you know, obviously it's gonna be like that, but you know, use common sense. Obviously, don't put the wrong ones on the, you know, wrong side of the connector. Okay, so I don't know you're able to see it, but you can see there the black is on the yellow, and the yellow is on the black. Like I said, I haven't used my shrinker tubes, but you can see it. It's right there. That right there. I'm just gonna slide them over and shrink them and make them, you know, tight. Make sure it got good seal and everything. So I just want to make this quick video, and this is very common problems. There's a lot of other videos out there about the same thing. So this is the connector. Also, I go ahead and order these other ones. This is just the connectors with the connector pins in it, but not the wiring. But you know, you can add the wiring and, you know, put the pins inside the connectors and you know, put them on the connector. And I ordered these other ones because when I try to fix that back one, I go ahead and check these other ones in the front to see if how I can, you know, get them fixed. And I think it was this one right here. I pull it out and it broke a piece down here. I don't know, it's not be able to see it, but it broke a piece right here. So I'm gonna change that one to one of these new ones as well. So very fragile pieces. Also, another thing, if you can see, I changed the coils. Like I said, the 3 in the back and spark plugs, and this one is new. This one is the ones we have problems. So I go ahead and change this one and the back ones. That way we don't have to worry about, you know, the back ones anymore, because otherwise we'll have to do the same thing, take everything apart again, take this out, and, you know, to change the spark plugs. Another thing very important, use original Toyota original parts, spark plugs, and coils, because like I said, if you order some if you order not original ones, but aftermarket parts, you could have a problems. So um, electric stuff, try to get the original ones. I think I bought mine for $95, all four of them, and about $60 for all six spark plugs. I didn't change the coils on these two because they're still good. The only one we have a problem is this one. But like I said, to avoid future situation like this one, take everything apart. Like I said, just try to be step ahead and avoid headaches down the road. That's why we changed the bad ones, the very difficult ones, and then end up, like I said, breaking this connector. And now thankfully it's already fixed. Check engine light, it's gone. So yeah, that was the project today. So make sure you order the right parts. That's, like I said again, very common problem, and you're gonna have to fix it, obviously. So yeah, I wanna make this video, and hopefully this video helps somebody out there, and uh, you know give you some couple tips on how do you do it. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, and I will keep making videos when I can, and post it for you guys. All right, so hopefully this video again help somebody out, and make save you some money and make your life a little easier. All right, so thank you everybody, and see you on the next one.